Good morning, students. How are you all? My name is Kamini. Now, today we are going to do another very important figure of speech, which is euphemism. Now, what is euphemism? An inoffensive term used to replace a rude or offensive one. Something which is unpleasant. We are trying to use some words which will help us to maybe make the situation not so bad, or maybe certain, I would not say very pleasant words, but the words would mean the same, but a slightly less harsher type of words. For example, how's the task going? I'm continuing to identify inappropriate solutions. You might find yourself between jobs if you keep that up. I'm letting you go, you're fired. Which means that when you ask somebody to leave the job, okay, you're fired, it becomes a little bit harsher. But when we say I'm letting you go, it means that it's not, the meaning would be the same, but the words are not very harsh. Okay, that is called as euphemism. I have some more examples for you. She passed away last week, which means she died. When we say she died, it looks very rude and offensive, but she passed away looks like as if she is, the words used are not so harsh. He is under the weather. They downsized last year. She's expecting a baby. He was uh, he was let go from work. She's between jobs now. He went to a better place. She's in her golden years. He is visually impaired. She is differently abled. They moved to a senior community. He fell asleep forever. She is living with cancer. He is financially challenged. She has special needs. He left us last winter. She lives in a modest home. She is mentally challenged. She is hard of hearing. He took an early retirement. She is exploring new opportunities. He is pursuing other interests. She is on a break from work. They live on a fixed income. He stepped down from his role. She transitioned out of her job. He retired early last year. So something which sounds little harsh can be said in a very, not very harsh way. That is euphemism. But the meaning will remain the same. The meaning will not change. Okay. So this is all about euphemism. You can also give certain other sentences which you know about euphemism. Okay, and let me know in the chat box or something, that you can also write some examples about euphemism. Okay, so in an inoffensive term used to replace a rude or offensive term, which means that any sentence which is little bit harsher to hear, you can make it into a pleasant, not very pleasant, but very less offensive or less harsher way, and that is called as euphemism. Okay, so try to make such type of sentences. Let me know. If you've liked this video, you can like and subscribe. Also, you can always email me. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for your time.